Fox 5 update on a lawsuit accusing strip hotels of scheming to fix their prices. The defendants in the case, which include MGM Resorts, Caesars Entertainment, and Wynn Resorts, are asking a judge to dismiss the case. MGM has previously called the claims against them factually inaccurate. The plaintiffs in the class action case will have until next Monday to respond to the motion to dismiss. In a statement to Fox 5, their attorneys say they have every intention of keeping the legal battle going.